All right, here's the star of the show. Some sardines. I'm going to cook that sardine it's not really a casserole, Mediterranean sardine dish with angel hair pasta. So I think I need some onions out too. But I'm going to start with olive oil in the pan. I got this recipe on All Recipes. With some garlic. We're going to put that in the oven while it's preheating. Yeah. Let's look at our sardines. I thought I had bought the cheap kind, but I don't think this is the cheap. The Walmart brand or cheap dollar something at Walmart. And then this one is the more expensive Wild Planet in olive oil and lemon. All right, let's open these up. Look at them. Ooh, don't spill. Oh, those look good. Those look a lot better than those. Yeah, those look a lot firmer than these. Look like they're going to fall apart, which they do. All right, there's the garlic. You could toast it some more, but I'm good with that. Now we go in with the tomatoes. All the tomatoes. Just get them coated. The onions. And a good thing, I bought these for a recipe and I used them once, and guess what? This recipe calls for them. So I don't know how many, just let's see. How many do I have left? Might as well use them all. Do you like olives? That would be all. And another favorite that I have on hand is capers. How about with the knife? I like lots of capers. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to add some lemon. I'll also add a little bit of lemon zest. Squeeze in some lemon. Oop. I'm going to cut this in half and add it. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Now let's put the good sardines. Yeah, look how good. I'm not going to remember what side they're on though. Oh wow, there's only 3. What is that? I don't know, but let's add it. And all that juice. And these kind of fall apart. I think we'll know which ones are which. These like have some pieces. Guess there's only 3 or maybe 4 in this one. A little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm not going to add any salt at this point. Some pepper. All right, this is going in the oven, 450, for about 15-20 minutes. That's looking good. That looks good. I'm going to put a little Parmesan. I'm going to serve it with a little bit of pasta, and I'm going to try this good little sardine. I would have wanted to since the tomatoes didn't break down as much as I thought they were going to, I might want to cut them in half next time. I want some juice. Alright, let's give it a try. So that tomato's broken down. I don't think I got any capers. Might stick it in there a little longer just to break those tomatoes down. Olive. Never eat spaghetti on camera. I want more juice. I want more sauce. It's pretty good. There's a caper. I think it does need some salt. And more sauce. I'm going to work on that. So you may see this recipe again, but for now, I'm gonna finish this.